Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm in our factory and behind me is a Prismatic battery module pack assembly line. We just finished assembling and have done the FAT, and right now we're about to disassemble this line and ready for shipment. And yeah, before we do that, let me just go through this line with you and see how this line works. Okay, let's go. So as you can see, the first workstation is cell automatic loading, and right now we upgrade this rubber arm with like 5 grippers, so you can grab 5 cells at a time and put on this OCV testing machine. So first of all, you can use a QR scanner to scan the cells QR code first, and then just transfer the cells into this OCV testing machine. And as you can see inside of this machine, and yeah, first of all, this will be this detection pin to test the OCV, like the inner resistance and like a voltage. Second, you can just like grab the cells and transfer to here and put on this belt. If there's the NG cells, it will place the cells on this like NG buffering area. And after the OCV testing and NG rejection and everything, and let's go over here. After the cells being transferred out, and we'll be like manually applying glues workstation. So two operator will be stand 2 sides of this line and applying this strip glue. After that, and the rubber arm will grab the cell and put on this stacking table. So this stacking table is like 2 layers. On the upper level, up layer has been fully stacked like a 1P, 8S, 13S, 16S, and then we'll slide over to another side, and this third rubber arm will grab the battery module and put on this pressing table. As you can see that, and this one we have like a pressing table on each side, so total will have a 4 pressing table. And the operator will over here will be install the end plate and start pressing, and then install the steel built bottom one and top one. So after done this stacking and pressing, then this module will be slid over back, and the rubber arm will grab this module and then put it back on the second part of the line for the rest of the work process. So the first the process will be terminal pole photography workstation. So in this workstation, there will be the CCD camera to capture each battery terminal pole's position and shares all the coordinate data to the rest of the workstation. And the next workstation will be the installation test. So maybe sometimes during the robot transferring, the battery cells maybe could be damaged during the process. So this way, we need to do some tests, make sure all the batteries still intact and working properly. So in this workstation, we will have all these detection pins to test the whole module and make sure everything's okay. So after this test, and we will go through this like laser cleaning workstation. Building this workstation, and we need to clean the surface of the terminal pole. So we need to make sure the welding quality is meet the requirement. So we use 200 watts laser power to clean the surface and clean the dust, any like the chemical residues and anything on the surface of the terminal pole. So after laser welding, after laser cleaning, and we'll go through this manual workstation. So as here, operator will install the CCS or bus bar on the top of the module and then transfer to the laser welding workstation. So as you can see inside of this laser workstation, we have like a full nozzle head for the laser welding work. And after done the laser welding and come out here, and we will have this post-welding cleaning and inspection. So operator will use a vacuum brush to clean the surface of the welding point and check each welding point to make sure the quality is meeting the requirement. So after done this cleaning and like checking, inspection, and then we'll come to this EOL testing workstation. So that will be the end of line testing. And after done the EOL testing, we'll have this robot arm grab the module and put on this pack line and into the lower pack case for the rest of the pack process. And yeah, so let's go through the pack line. Normally this line will start over here, and when we move the line to our customer side, we'll have the gantry over here, and we will uploading the lower pack case and transfer to here. And we have to glue this lower pack first. So here is the glue applying workstation. And so first of all, we will apply the glue over here and transfer over here. So the battery the glue can just put on the top of the lower case and for the rest of the workstation. And yeah, here will be the module line, here will be the pack line. So yeah, and for the pack line, mostly will be the manual workstation. So it depends on how customer to design the whole process. Yes, that's basically the whole production line. And yeah, if you have any questions, just leave me a comment down below, and I will reply as soon as possible. And see you next episode. Peace.